Do you want to change this into this or this in just 5 seconds? I got you. Listen, we're going to do this right now. So first of all, you want to go on hue saturation. As you go on hue saturation, you see that there is a hand symbol on there. Click the hand symbol and go onto the car. Now hold command and swipe left or right. You can see the color changing immediately. Swiping left gives you a colder color and swiping right gives you a warmer color. Okay, this time swipe left or right. Now if you swipe left or right without pressing command, this will actually help you change the saturation of the car. So look, this car's yellow and it gradually gets into a darker yellow. So if you want to change the saturation, don't press command, but if you want to change the color, hold command to swipe left or right. You could use the brush tool like what I'm doing right now. I'm using the brush tool to rub out certain parts that I changed, just making it kind of like a red tinted yellow Lamborghini or Ferrari. I don't know which car this is, I'm very bad at cars. So have fun with the brush tool. Anyways, if this helped you, please make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next tutorial.